Matthew 16, 1-4. The Pharisees and the Sadducees came to Jesus, and they tested him by asking him to show them a sign from heaven. Jesus replied, when evening comes, you say it will be fair weather, for the sky is red. Red sky at night, shepherd's delight. And in the morning, today it will be stormy, for the sky is red and overcast. Red sky in the morning, shepherd's warning. So he knew his stuff. You know how to interpret the appearance of the sky, but you cannot interpret the signs of the times. A wicked and adulterous generation looks for a sign, but none will be given it, except the sign of Jonah. Jesus then left them and went away. Now, the Pharisees and Sadducees were religious rulers. The Pharisees were particularly concerned with religious side of things, and the Sadducees were more political and probably very corrupt as well. In fact, so were the Pharisees by this time. They started off many centuries previously as a passionate, God-fearing group of people, but they gradually began to be fossilized into a bunch of people who just stuck to a load of rules and made life miserable for themselves and for everyone else. So they're saying, give us a sign, show us that you're who you say you are. You say you're this amazing person, show us, give us a sign. They're totally ignoring the fact that he kept healing people. Of course, he did perform miracles, and mostly on the Sabbath, because he knew it would get a reaction from them. Because they would say, yeah, no, you shouldn't heal someone on a Sabbath. Anyway, on it went. They would say, give us a sign, he would say no. Give us a sign, and he would say no. But he does tease them with a reference to the prophet Jonah. No sign will be given except the sign of Jonah. Well, what is the sign of Jonah? Well, Jonah spent 3 days in the belly of a whale or a large fish. Jesus would spend 3 days in the grave before he rose again. That was a sign he gave them, but of course they wouldn't have understood. No one would at that point.